red dirt, nice scenery, all the homies.
Utah,
baby.
day 2. What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna go drive trucks and buggies and kind of do some big rig stuff before we get consumed by side-by-sides. Our buddy Cam's out here, and he's gonna show us some local hits and hopefully make some good memories with our friends.
Yeah, we did an episode on Cam's truck a little over a year ago. It's a super interesting truck, very, very different.
Yeah, unique.
But he drives the hell out of it. It looks like a work of art, man. We're gonna go try to look for some whoops that look like they're from Australia.
Yeah.
Red Australian whoops, some step offs, some cool rock formations, and try to get these things at a decent pace somewhere. What do you think of Utah?
Utah's fun. We went last year, but I mean, UTV TAKEOVER is cool, but trucks are obviously a lot cooler.
How do you think people's reactions are going to be to some of the truck stuff?
Honestly, I think people are going to really like the trucks. Maybe the diehard side-by-side guys are going to be a little salty about it, but I think, they're going to be the center of the attention.
This is like everybody kind of just follows each other, right?
The UTV TAKEOVERs, they do rides and stuff throughout the day, which is really cool. If you just are an enthusiast, that's what I like about this event. It's very inclusive. You can come out to it. You can be a part of it at any level you'd like to be. The best part is they host a few races. So they have short course racing, rally racing, they have a barrel race, and then they have the Huck Fest.
And you're going to be doing something today, right?
Yeah, so today's short course. I didn't even bring a UTV, but we're gonna find something to go do short course racing in, and then tomorrow we're gonna jump into the Huck Fest competition with the trucks on the back end, and I think it's a cool thing. I think this event's really cool, the format of it, because when the short course racing starts, you just line them up, and there'll be a freaking mile of cars lined up down the beach, single elimination. You go out there, you get one run, you lose, you pull off. Next
That's
person.
cool.
And it's really cool. I think it's a blast, and I think that it's cool that anyone can come out there and race against any of us that are out there in borrowed UTVs. I think that the format of the event's very inclusive, so it's something I'm into a lot.
Right on. Will was saying that he thinks the trucks are going to be a winner, and people are going to be pretty stoked to see some of them in action. What do you think?
The best way to market to UTV guys is with an off-road truck. There's no denying it, because every dude that has a UTV probably looks up to a truck at some point. Not everyone grows up like going, yo, I wish they'd made a golf cart that had 150 horsepower that I could go finance, put insurance on, and take through the desert.
Yeah.
They just run across them, and that's like a convenient aspect to go off-road. Whereas we have blood, sweat, tears, and all of our finances for decades to have these trucks to be able to go out and do this event with,
and then drive the piss out of them.
Right, and it's not to shit on what they're doing, but that is what they looked up to. Is they looked up to the desert racing. They looked up to the trucks that they saw out in the desert. So to be able to take trucks that
and share that,
that we have out the capability to go race with out in the deserts and stuff, and go take them to events like this, where those guys that have these cool golf carts can come check out our trucks and hang out with us. I think it's
get
really
stoked.
Cool.
Maybe even get some of these dudes to turn to the dark side of the trucks. I don't know.
I mean, it's surely
some of those
the
UTVs are about as expensive as a truck.
Yeah, they are. You know, and Will actually comes from the side-by-side world, so it's really cool. What do you think about the new Pro R out here? What do you think about the new Can-Ams? How do you think those things are stacking up this year?
Well, we have to wait to see the Can-Am. They're still in the works. But the Pro R, honestly, if I'm being honest, like it's a really good car from the factory. Usually with UTVs, you gotta buy them and do cages and seat belts and seats and arms and and the Pro R is definitely the best one that any company's ever made out of the factory.
Okay.
But they're a little pricey.
Yeah. What are they? How much are they?
I don't know. I think right now stickers like 50 grand at least.
Jesus Christ.
Whoa.
Yeah, the two seats are 45 to 50, but I think it's being marked up in the world we live in as well.
Dang.
So,
Brett, what do you think about that, dude?
It's expensive, man. It's expensive, but it's definitely one of the best cars right out of the box.
I was with Blake yesterday, and we were doing some really scary stuff. Hey, dude, tell us about your car really quick.
She's a Can-Am.
There it is.
2019 Can-Am XRS. We put the Ford Fiberworks Ford Raptor body kit on it.
Yeah.
SF Cage Works built out the cage, chromoly cage front and back. And,
Hell yeah.
Yeah, the only thing left stock in this thing is pretty much the dash.
Okay. Do people go like, dude, is that a BA truck? Or like,
They
right?
honestly think it's a full pre-runner, knowing like to the naked eye, if you're not trained on what side-by-side is, when you look at it, a lot of people don't think it's a side-by-side.
Right.
So it's it's just something different. Everyone's got the same look on their cars overall, and I wanted to do something different that stood out. Full garage build, and it's been a good car. We definitely put it through the test. We lit it on fire yesterday.
Nice, dude.
Jumped it off a ledge. It was,
dude, I seen that. It looked like an action movie. Like it looked like the end of Die Hard or something.
I lost all the hair on my arms on that one.
Oh my god, dude.
But it was cool.
No, that was wild, man.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Because he does have this clip on it, he is going to be coming to the truck stuff today. So it actually works out instantly.
Bro.
Let's go.
Have some fun, dude.
Hey Dean, so what are your thoughts so far, man?
Dude, this place is pretty sick. Red dirt, nice scenery.
Yeah, it's pretty epic, huh?
All the homies.
The guys found kind of like a little dune track kind of area. We're gonna hit that, and then hopefully some big old fat whoops after this.
Who put this here?
These aren't like the normal dunes, huh, Blake?
Well, you see what happened was we were hitting this jump right here. Then we were hitting that jump right there. And then I was coming to turn around to do it again. And I found this big hole.
Yeah. Spot check update. It's got a smidge windier. Is it smidged now? Yeah, it's just a little bit. Let's check this out. the verdict, dudes?
We found our tires are a little bit longer running, and we could have gone big, but we did what we did.
I feel bad for everyone down there, though.
That's what I said, dude. It's the wave, the sand wave.
You were down there. You were in the splash zone.
Yeah.
You got the SeaWorld treatment.
I'm pretty sure like wheel speed was like 300 miles an hour. Vehicle speed was like 10 miles an hour.
Yes. That was all the truck had in first gear. I was making limiter going over the road.
Yeah.
That was everything I had to make it down there.
Hey, dude, you went pretty big. That first one, you went pretty big.
That first one hurt my back.
I mean, it looked good. I think people were into it.
Yeah, had a good time.
What do you think about us coming back next year, man?
Let's do it.
Next year, we'll bring a bunch of pre-runner guys and have a pre-runner party. Two-wheel drive party.
We'll plan a sick-ass loop, too.
Yeah.
Sick ass. We're going to Grand Canyon.
Thank you, UTV Takeover, for letting us come out here and do this. Good times were had. We will see you guys next time. Subscribe, like, and all that good stuff, and we shall see you.
Yeah, I'm like freaking coming to it. Cutting brake.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Clutch down.
I know. I'm jealous of the clutch stuff. If I had clutch stuff, I'd shoot a big roost behind it, but instead I'm just like,
Yeah, you can kind of time it, and then once you kind of start to like apex. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Okay.